guys, this is Gwen from Hairbow Supplies, etc. Today we're going to make a felt rolled flower. You'll need a piece of felt, some hot glue, a little pearl. This is just a little half pearl, but you could probably use a full rounded pearl, some scissors, and hot glue. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you'll need to do is just take a piece of felt here, and what we're going to do is make about a 4-inch circle. Now I'm eyeballing here, but from here to here is about 4 inches. So you're just gonna go around the side and just try to make the best cute circle that you can. Now, I love this flower tutorial because it really is versatile. You can use any color felt that you want, and there's a bunch of patterned felt out there. And this makes a really soft flower, so if you wanted to match it, you know, with a coordinated outfit or something, you know, you don't have to worry about it being scratchy or anything like that. Like, this is just a really nice, soft, comfortable accessory to use. So this is just a simple circle here. So what you'll want to do here is we're going to start cutting in the circle, and we're going to spiralize it. So just start here in your center, and then how wide? I used about this wide, let's see, almost an inch wide. So when you start cutting from the center, just know that you just want this to be about an inch wide. So you're just gonna kind of come in this way and come into the left, and you're just gonna kind of start cutting in a spiral here. Just go in a nice circle and turn your felt as you go. I really love this magenta color. This magenta is just really so pretty to me. So we're just gonna cut into just about right there and leave that to the bottom. That'll be the bottom of our flower. And then go to the front, and then take your tip and we'll just start rolling it. And you're going to wanna roll. And so the top part here is going to be your flower, and this part is going to be your base. So just remember that as you're rolling. You see the flower is starting to form. And I'm just kind of keeping an eye on how this is working here, and you know, you can kind of just keep rolling. Now this part is not quite round, so I'm just gonna round that edge a little bit more. Okay, once you get to about here, then you can get your hot glue out and just put a line of glue here, and then just secure that on. And then this will kind of be your little base, so then you just take your hot glue and put it all around the center, and then just flatten that on there. I'm going to trim this just a little bit. Smash that up against there. So that's your cute little flower. It really is super simple and easy to make. Okay, so here you go, and then so that's your flower base, and then we will get our pearl. Here's my pearl, and then grab some hot glue and put that right in the center, and then take your pearl and put that right down in the center. So that is just the cutest little flower. I love it. I love how that turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Y'all have a great day. Bye.